Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make spice dumpling, which is called Appe or Paddu. For this, we'll chop onions and fenugreek leaves. We will take idli batter in a bowl. To this we'll add 1 chopped onion and 1 bunch of chopped fenugreek leaves. Add a pinch of salt and mix everything. Keep the batter aside. Heat the Appe pan on the gas stove. Now pour oil or clarified butter to each of the pockets. Pour the batter into each pocket. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll check and flip all the dumplings. We'll cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Now again we'll check if the dumplings are done. They are done perfectly. We can see golden color on them. We'll flip the other side and let them turn golden too. Once done, transfer onto a plate. We can eat this with either sambar or any of the chutneys. We will make groundnut and curry leaf chutney. For that we need groundnuts, few strands of curry leaf, few cloves of garlic, green chilies and ½ inch of ginger. Grind them all. To the mixture add salt as per the taste, half lemon juice. Mix them well and serve with Appe or the dumplings. Do try these recipes at home and let me know in the comment how it turned out. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.